so sweet.
Thank you all for joining us up.
You're a lovely dancer, so thank you. Thank you so much.
Well, lucky you got twice hug.
Thank you, buddy. Alright, so thank you guys.
Thank you guys for joining us up. And the next thing that's coming up is, if you all know, Lawman Pastry has been running a wonderful contest where all of you had a wonderful chance of meeting the stars of Equivalent. And we have the 3 winners of this contest to meet the villain over here. Can I have all the 3 villains? No, all the 3 contest winners to come up and meet the villain over here. That's right, Pareen, Bhavin and Asif on the stage. Okay, and Siddharth is supposed to felicitate and honor them with the vouchers.
They won the contest, right? Alright guys, congratulations.
Contest winners.
This is for you guys. So enjoy all the gifts. This is for you. Instead of me doing disco, you won't see any of disco on this Friday, but only you'll see me being a bad guy and a villain and trying to romance. So you'll see how good it is to be bad, and you'll see a bad guy's love story, which is new, but there's still me falling in love with Shraddha. So hope you guys enjoy Equivalent this Friday, guys. Please all of you go and watch, and I will see you.
And of course, the media. I invite the media now to come up over here. And of course, Siddharth, you can take your seat. You can just have a seat. Just a few questions from the media.
Come.
Okay. I invite the media to ask a few questions to Siddharth, and I would like to tell you.
Got more shade, कोई better or worse नहीं है. Without a villain, hero is not possible. Without a hero, villain is not there. So they both are equal measures are important.
And are you happy with the promotions of Lawman Pastry?
Oh yeah, Lawman Pastry has given us enough costumes. I've been wearing their jeans in the film and some I think some shirts. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the costumes and if not, then Lawman Pastry. I have not actually. So far we've only been promoting, and I like the picture. I've seen the image of me doing this pose, which is from the film. So yeah, I think it makes a great poster, and hope to see it all around.
Siddharth, how important is brand association of a product with a film for marketing and promotion purpose?
Well, that's a producer's prerogative, not the actors. So I think Balaji is more apt to answer that. As far as we are concerned, yeah, we're just acting in a film.
What was the reason to sign villain? What was the reason to sign villain? What was his character was strong or something like that?
Villain, of course, as I said, I think it's so much new for me. I've never played a negative shade. I've only done 2 other films before that which have been so positive. And I think people didn't expect, or rather they don't perceive me playing this kind of shade. And so it's exciting. It's exciting to go out of the box. It's exciting to push the limits and show them that I can also play this shade.
You started out your career assisting Karan Johar. So till now, how far do you consider Karan Johar as a mentor for success?
Oh, we are still Dharma talent. So I'm still a part of Dharma Productions. So he's always there. Him and Reshma Shetty, my manager, is always there to support us.
रोमांटिक फिल्म के बाद एकदम एक्शन फिल्म में
कौन है आपकी क्वेश्चन है इसमें?
या
ऐसी
नहीं नहीं
रोमांटिक फिल्म के बाद
एकदम एक्शन
हाँ उसमें उसके बारे में उसके बारे में पूछूं रोमांटिक फिल्म के बाद मैं एक्शन फिल्म में आ गया उसके बारे में क्या
नहीं उसके बारे में बताइए
कि मैं क्यों आया
कितनी चैलेंजिंग था
कितना चैलेंज था हाँ कितना चैलेंजिंग था ऐसा कोई सवाल हो तो हाँ टू डू एन एक्शन फिल्म राइट आफ्टर डूइंग रोमांस और डू एन intense film right after doing romance or the 2 kind of films I've done I think is far more taxing because real life references are not there या अपनी निजी जिंदगी में मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ या ऐसी किसी को जानता नहीं हूँ तो ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, मेंटली ज़्यादा होमवर्क करना पड़ता है एज एन एक्टर, अपने लुक पे काम करना पड़ता है और वही कोशिश करी है अभी. पर आई थिंक होपफुली आफ्टर एक फिल्म आई विल बी ओपन टू और आई एटलीस्ट गेट मोर फिल्म्स व्हिच आई कैन डू बोथ नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव्स. So yeah, looking forward to this Friday and hopefully you guys enjoy it, man.
Perfect. Thank you.